Hello, this is your Lakshma Reddy sir. We are working for intermediate public examinations, or you say CBSE class 11 examinations. Chemistry, how to score the maximum. Okay, now if it is 60 or 100, whatever it is, maximum score we have to get. Atomic structure, two questions we have already done. You can see the previous video. Third question is, explain the difference between emission and absorption spectrum. What is emission spectra and what is absorption spectra? नाम में ही पता है, emission बोले तो coming out, absorption बोले तो taking in. ओके ना, absorb कर रहा है, ये emit कर रहा है, उसी को हम points में देखेंगे. देखो इधर emission spectrum, इधर absorption spectrum लो, points कर लो, बस हो गया. The spectra is formed when an electron jumps from higher orbits to lower orbits. Okay, here higher to lower, electron is coming. This spectra is formed when electron jumps from lower orbit to higher orbit, absorption. Lower to higher is absorption, higher to lower is emission. This is emission, this is absorption. It is formed due to emission of energy, that is emission. It is formed due to absorption of energy, that is absorption. It contains bright lines on dark background, and absorption contains dark lines on bright backgrounds. Okay, now how do I remember? ADB. हमारा गाँव आदिलाबाद होता है. Adilabad, it is in Telangana. ADB, absorption spectra, dark lines and bright backgrounds. Okay ना, so आप इसको आप ऐसे रखो EBD, emission, bright lines and dark background. And this is classified as continuous and discontinuous. It is not classified. बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है, ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं इसके बारे में, क्योंकि आने का चांसेस बहुत कम है. द वेरी वेरी लेस चांसेस आर देयर, बट दीज आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Pauli's exclusion principle, Aufbau's principle, and Hund's rule. Pauli's principle says, if it is an orbital, in this maximum 2 electrons will be there with opposite spins. How to write this? Statements must be as it is. No 2 electrons in an atom can have the same set of all 4 quantum numbers. No 2 electrons in an atom can have the same set of all 4 quantum numbers. Example देखेंगे आप. Helium, first electron, second electron. See, first electron n value is same 1 1, L value s orbital same 0 0, m value 0, but spin first electron plus 1 by 2, second electron minus 1 by 2. And second rule is Aufbau's principle. Aufbau's principle is, in the ground state of the atoms, the orbitals are filled with electrons in the order of their energies, increasing energies. That means you can say like this also. Electrons first enter into lowest energy orbitals possible, then they enter into higher energy orbitals. कौन सा भी चलेगा? Fine. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, so on. If you write this much, that's enough. We are working for board examinations. जितना लिखना चाहिए उतना ही लिखना, ज़्यादा नहीं लिखना. ఎక్కువ రాయద్దు బేటా, ఎక్కువ టైం సరిపోదు మనకి. ఓకేనా? If you are from North India, if I am speaking in Telugu, that means you are learning Telugu also. Okay. Sometimes I speak Telugu. Okay. Pairing of electron takes place only after all the degenerated orbitals are filled with 1 electron each is Hund's rule. You can see here, when 3 electrons are here, the electrons are coming 1, second, third. Pairing is not done. Okay, now first electron, second electron, third electron. If oxygen is there, if you want to take one more example, you can take oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 1s2 means 2 electrons, 2s2 means 2 electrons, 2p4 means there are 3 orbitals, 1 electron, second electron, third electron, fourth electron will come now. Pairing will take place only after all the degenerated orbitals are filled with 1 electron each. Now coming to the question number 4. Explain Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. These chances are very less. Okay. 100% from this lesson, either quantum numbers will come or Bohr's model will come. These chances are very less. Explain Heisenberg's uncertainty principle and photoelectric effect. These two questions, there is a possibility, but छोड़ दो यार, ऐसे आने का चांस ही नहीं है. फिर भी एक बार कर लेंगे. Okay. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. क्या होता है Heisenberg uncertainty principle? Just imagine aeroplane is going here. Okay, now this is an aeroplane. And you are here, you are looking into your watch. Okay, at a time, can you see both of them? Aeroplane is moving and you are looking into what? Is it possible to see both of them at a time? That is called Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. It is impossible to determine the exact position and momentum of electrons simultaneously. Exact position and exact momentum simultaneously बताना impossible है. Mathematically, it is expressed as delta x into delta p is equal to h by 4 pi. You need to give this in bracket box, where delta x is uncertainty in position, delta p is uncertainty in momentum, delta v is uncertainty in velocity. Okay, that means you can write this expression as delta x into m delta v is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. If you are not writing this expression, ये delta v कहाँ से आया बोल के आपको डाउट आएगा. Delta v is uncertainty in velocity and m is mass of electron. See, in this, if this becomes 0, delta p will become infinity. If delta x becomes infinity, delta p will become 0. If the position of the particle is known exactly, that means delta x is equal to 0, then delta v becomes infinity. How? Delta v is equal to h by 4 pi delta x. Something by 0 is nothing but infinity. If the velocity of the particle is known exactly, then delta x becomes infinity. Okay, ये बस हो गया. Going to the next one, explain photoelectric effect. What will be the photoelectric effect? Very simple concept. एक मेटल सरफेस है, इसके ऊपर जो भी इलेक्ट्रॉन है, इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को आप रिमूव कर रहे हो. मेरी इलेक्ट्रॉन तीसरे बेटा. You are going to remove this electron from the surface of the metal. For that purpose, you are giving some amount of energy. Ejection of electron from the metal surface using suitable frequency of light is called photoelectric effect. When a beam of light of suitable wavelength is allowed to fall on the surface of the alkali metal, the electrons are emitted or ejected from the metal surface. This phenomena is called photoelectric effect. Okay, now ejection of electrons from metal surface. And this is given as E is equals to W plus K. E is energy that you are giving, W is work function used to remove the energy, and whatever the rest energy is there, that is converted to kinetic energy. This E is given as h nu, this W is given as W naught work function, and K is kinetic energy. W naught is work function, h nu is energy of the incident photon, and K is kinetic energy, that is half mv square. The equation 1, this one, is expressed as h nu is equal to h nu naught plus K. Okay, now this is written as h nu naught. In place of this, you are writing here h nu naught, and mentioned here the minimum energy. What is h nu naught? Work function. Work function is nothing but the energy required to remove the electron, and which we are calling here is threshold energy. The minimum energy required to break the force of attraction between the nucleus and electron is called as threshold energy. H nu is equal to h nu naught plus kinetic energy, or kinetic energy is equal to h nu minus h nu naught, or h into nu minus nu naught. Kinetic energy of electron which is going out is equal to h into nu minus nu naught. यहाँ पे 2 पॉइंट्स आप याद रखो नेक्स्ट लेसन में जाने से पहले. वन थिंग, काइनेटिक एनर्जी, ओके ना, ई के आई एम राइटिंग हियर, काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द एजेक्टेड इलेक्ट्रॉन डिपेंड्स ऑन फ्रीक्वेंसी. अगर आप फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ाएंगे तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी बढ़ जाएगा. बट इफ़ यू वांट टू रिमूव द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एजेक्टेड डिपेंड्स ऑन intensity. You have to give more number of radiations to remove more number of electrons. Remember these 2 points, these are very useful for you. Thank you guys. We'll meet with periodic table questions in next video. Thank you.